Since I started learning forex trading, like, one thing I'm always obsessed about is getting sniper's entry. Now look at what you have done to me. You guys take a look at this screenshot on the screen. This is actually a trade on GBPUSD. This is actually a trade of 1:12 risk to reward. And see what happened there. Like, clean $300 gone. Clean $300 gone, bro. Like, trading is, I would like to say that trading is a secret. It's a secret. Because, like, assuming that this was when I started off, I would say that the market is against me. Assuming that this was the moment I started, like, few months ago when I started learning forex, I would say that if this kind of thing happened, I would say that before the market is against me, that they know where my stop loss is. But this calls for improvement. Like, it's telling me, bro, improve. Because assuming you're a good trader, yes, I'm a bad trader. That's why they trade my stop. I know most of you guys will say that stop loss is normal thing. Yes, stop loss is normal thing, but I'm a bad trader. That's why they trade is stop loss. Because assuming I know what I was doing, the trade would have see stop loss. I'm not trying to say that I don't know what I did. I know what I did, but I need that precision entry, man. I need that. I want to get to the stage whereby if I place my order, price will just tap me in and then head straight to my TP. That's what this trade is just trying to tell me. This trade is calling for improvement. Like, at this point in time, I have to tell myself, Kokus, see, yeah, you're doing good, yeah, you're trying your best, but at this point you need improvement. Because one mistake that I see that some people make is that they keep lying to themselves. You see that you're doing something, wrong. Instead of you to correct yourself, you're just blaming the market. So this calls for my improvement. This is a clean. I know most of you guys will relate, and most of you guys will be like, bro, which strategy are you trading? Which strategy? This is a sniper entry. Which strategy? That's a clean 1:12 R. That's that's a 1:12 RR. Imagine for that trade, I reached $25 to make $300. Who does that? I reached $25 to make $300. I would have passed my profit. You guys know that I'm still on the phase 1 of my 5K challenge. And most of you guys will be like, oh, you don't know how to trade, you go get a profit. You can talk whatever you want to talk, but have you ever in your life got a setup? I'm not quarreling with anybody, but have you, since you started trading, it's just a question. Have you caught any setup that gives you 1:12R? Like 1:12. I know you can relate, and you'll be like, I know you're anxious to know the strategy I'm trading with, but no need to tell you guys the strategy here because I'm still trying to improve. So this calls for improvement. If you are still in this phase whereby trade is always stopping you out, then go your way. That means no one is against you. The market don't even know that your stop loss is there. All you have to do for yourself is you have to double down and improve. So that is it. That was the video. I just recorded the video for my future self to know that I once told myself to improve. Yeah, I once told myself to improve. It's all good. All I know is that everything's gonna be better. Everything's gonna be better. So, I haven't introduced myself. What's good, guys? I'm Kokus FX, and in this my YouTube channel, I document my journey as a developing forex trader. So, if this kind of video always wanna relate to, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video, and also drop a comment what you think made the trading my stop, and then move to my direction.